In the ancient Greek city of Ephesus, around 535 BC, a mysterious and brilliant thinker was born, Heraclitus, often called the philosopher of change. While many early philosophers searched for a single element that explained the universe, water, air, or earth, Heraclitus offered something far more profound: change itself. He believed that the only constant in the universe is change, panta rhei, he said, meaning, everything flows. Heraclitus came from a royal family but rejected power and wealth to dedicate his life to thought and reflection. Unlike many of his contemporaries, he didn't travel widely. Instead, he observed life deeply within his city. He noticed how the world never stays the same: rivers flow, seasons shift, people age, fire burns, and concluded that change is the fundamental law of nature. He famously said, "No man ever steps in the same river twice, because both the man and the river are constantly changing." For Heraclitus, fire was the ultimate symbol of this eternal transformation, always moving, consuming, and creating. Fire represented the energy of the cosmos, an ever-living process that governs both life and death. This was a radical idea for his time. While other philosophers sought stability, Heraclitus embraced the chaos, teaching that harmony is born from conflict, light from darkness, life from death, and order from disorder. His thoughts were not only scientific but deeply philosophical. He described the universe as a system of opposites in constant tension, yet balanced. Just as a bow or a lyre needs tension to produce music, the world needs conflict to create balance and meaning. Through this insight, Heraclitus laid the foundation for future scientific and philosophical ideas about energy, matter, and equilibrium. Heraclitus was known as the dark philosopher because his writings were brief, poetic, and mysterious. He believed that truth could not be easily explained; it had to be discovered through deep reflection. Many of his fragments, preserved by later philosophers, became seeds for Stoicism, dialectics, and even modern physics, where constant motion and transformation are key principles. He criticized people for living without understanding the logos, a word he used to describe the universal law that governs everything. The logos, according to Heraclitus, is the reason or pattern behind all things, the logic of the universe itself. It connects fire, change, and balance into one cosmic order. Though his life was surrounded by mystery, his influence echoed through the centuries. Plato, Aristotle, and the Stoic philosophers all drew inspiration from Heraclitus' ideas. In modern times, scientists see parallels between his philosophy and discoveries in thermodynamics, energy conservation, and quantum mechanics, where motion and transformation never cease. Heraclitus teaches us a timeless lesson: the universe is not fixed, it is alive. Everything you see, from stars to cells, is in a constant state of becoming. Change is not something to fear, it is the essence of existence. By embracing change, we understand the flow of life and the nature of truth itself. Heraclitus of Ephesus remains a legend, a thinker who saw the world not as a finished picture but as a living fire, forever moving, forever creating.